somebody threw a cigarette in earlier.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and dry out horse shit. Yep, that'll do it.
Well, at least it looks like it's out now.
Yep.
Yeah, let's unload our horse trailer though of shit right here. It's not like just a little pile. Hey guys, we're at Rainbow Falls today, trailhead. You can see mostly ATVs. And when we first pulled in, this pile of horse shit was smoking. So a couple guys stomped it out. My brother-in-law put some tea on it. Woohoo! Fun area. So awful that, you know, you come out here and there's freaking smoke from a manure pile in the parking lot at the trailhead of Rainbow Falls. Like, what morons. So the guys next to us said they think somebody threw a cigarette, or lit cigarette in the pile of manure that has hay and, you know, decomposing manure, which in itself is going to get hot as it decomposes. So, pretty messed up. So this is what Rainbow Falls area looks like during a year when we don't have much snow. Usually this would be buried. I mean, you wouldn't really be coming out here. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa, slick when it's ice. tree down, somebody cut it. But if they cut it, they did a bad job. Considering they had a chainsaw. Cut it off the trail. Don't just stop there just to make it so you can get around. That's pretty asinine. Pretty icy out here in the higher elevations and in the shade. We've continually been going up since the parking lot. So Rainbow Falls trailhead, you know, is down below, and you continually going up. Trying to be steady going across the ice spots. Finally away from traffic.
Ice about got me a couple times.
I need to loosen that. Rock that down, rock that down. Better for standing. Have those down a little bit more. Bend the guards down a little. Mainly I wanted the clake pretty protected. But the problem is you can't rock it the same because due to how the clake sticks out. It's a big unit. Try to go over. Come on. Well, it's been a pretty nice day today. One epic crash. Some single track in the snow. Don't typically do that. But it was still fun just to get out here. hopefully my knee isn't too bad and it heals up in the next few days. It's just, I think it's just bruised. So, probably one of those things where it's probably gonna kind of hurt for a month or so. But, you know, not like hurt bad every day, just it's going to hurt, you know. I'm gonna know it's tender type of thing. So, it is what it is, it happens. At least I'm not seriously injured. That's the first time I kind of just laid in the snow and was like, F it. But as soon as my brother-in-law, you know, asked if I said my knee, you know, I'm not going to just lay there and be quiet. Some people unfortunately do that, and then it kind of worries you because, you know, you don't know if they're just, you know, kind of like I'm doing, just taking a breather, you know. Kind of let the pain subside there before jumping up, making sure I was okay, because I knew it hurt bad enough. You never know, you know, what could be wrong, and you don't want to jump up and find out there's, due to the adrenaline you didn't know, and there's more wrong than you thought. So it's not bad to lay there, but when somebody asks you if you're okay or what's wrong, you know, you tell them. That way, yes, you're alive, you're not passed out, you're just taking a breather. The cool part is that this road goes right back to the car. It's probably good for me to stand though, because it's not like it's broke and it kind of stretches the knee out, keeps it active. It's when you start just, you know, leaving it in one spot, these things kind of freeze up on you. This is a easy ATV trail, easy dirt bike trail. It's easy. It's kind of flowy. You can see kind of far up ahead if you're looking. So you can go a little bit quicker than in some of the other stuff. It's not as dense of trees. Whoa. One more. Woo.